Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my pre-Disney trip packing and prep vlog. So I am here in our room and I'm just started packing. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the room looks like with everything that I pulled out and yeah, started to organize. But before that, let me show you guys this one. So guys, we got already our magic band. So the pink one is mine, and then the gray one is for my husband, and then the bottom one is for my stepdaughter, but she already took hers and she got the yellow color, guys. So everything, guys, it's ready, guys, and yeah, we are all excited, guys. So I will just show you guys my outfits so far. This is for traveling to Florida Disney. This is Flounce fold over top and split skirt set, guys, and I got this set, guys, in usaShein.com. These are pretty, guys. I love the set, guys. In the second day, guys, I'm just gonna wear this Disney shirt, guys, and then this black jeans, guys, and then in the third day I'm just gonna wear this polka dot flounce cami top and colored pants set, guys, and I got this, guys, in Shein.com, guys. I really love this set, guys. And then in the fourth day, guys, I'm just gonna wear this crop top. I got this in Marshalls. I really love this crop top, guys. And then this one, guys, is it's called solid cord wide leg pants, guys. I really love this pants as well, guys, and I got the pants, guys, in usaShein.com. Guys, in the fifth day, guys, I'm going to wear this top, guys, and this one is floral print random split tie back cami top, and I got this, guys, in usaShein.com. And also this maxi skirt, guys, I got this in usaShein.com as well. And then, guys, I have here my cover up, and then I got two swimsuit right here. So I am going to bring one swimsuit so that I have, you know, extra just in case. And then these three right here, guys, those are extra clothes, guys, that I'm going to bring just in case. And I'm going to bring three bra, guys. These three right here. And then I'm going to bring my backpack, so I'm gonna use this in the first day, guys, going to Florida. And then this one, guys, I'm gonna use this in the second day, and then this one I'm gonna use in the third day. Those bag, guys, are pretty, guys, and this cute little bag, guys, all my makeup stuffs are I mean I will put here, guys. Okay, so this is outfit for Monday, guys, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, and then Thursday, and then Friday, and then these are my stuff for swimming. And then these three, guys, right here, those are my extra clothes, guys, just in case. I have here my shoes and sandal. So in the first day, guys, I'm just gonna wear this sandal, guys, right here, and then in the second day I'm gonna wear this one, and then in the third day I'm gonna wear this rubber shoes, guys. So all these shoes and sandal, guys, I'm gonna bring this. And then I got my two sunglasses, guys, and then I got my bra, then my backpack, this one, guys, and then my other bag, and then this cute little bag, all my makeup stuffs, I put it here, guys. And then I got the Epsi bag, guys, so I'm gonna put all my jewelry, guys, here. And then of course my nighties, guys. I really love my silky 90s guys, which I got this guys in newshane.com. Next guys, I have here the Victoria's Secret lotion, and I get the teas, and then next one is the Bayou Oval, and then my perfume, I get Victoria's Secret Angel. I really love the smell of this one guys. And then I got sunscreen guys. I got the Banana Boat New Look Ultra Sport one, and this is our suitcase guys. So me and my husband were just gonna share this one big suitcase guys, and I'm just gonna bring some extra bag guys just in case. So that's it for this video guys. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified once I have a new video, especially guys during on our trip to Disney guys. So yeah, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.